Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Notion AI to create you a gym workout plan if you're a beginner or even if you're an advanced gym goer. You can use Notion AI to create you a very good workout plan. So as you can see, I'm just on a fresh page right here and I've just named it YouTube tutorial for the sake of today's video. So first of all, once you are on a blank page, you could name it, gym workout plan, whatever it may be. And then once you are here, you can click on the spacebar to initiate the AI. And then from here, what you can do is you can simply, write in something like, so I've put something like this. So create me a gym plan based on a 3-day split for a beginner. We will click enter now and see what Notion AI comes up with. So as you can see, what it will do is it will basically give you a 3-day split for a beginner into the gym. As you can see right here, we've got day 1, chest, shoulders and triceps. Day 2, we've got back, biceps and abs, and day 3, we've got legs and glutes. It will give you a breakdown of each, individual exercise that you will need to do in order to complete the 3-day split. And this is one way that you can get yourself a free workout plan if you are new to the gym, or, even if you're an advanced gym goer, you can get a workout plan given by Notion, and it's a really simple thing to do. Notion AI is a really great tool to use if you are ever struggling with any specific topic. So what you could do is you can also customize this. So if let's just say that you wanted to do chest, biceps and abs together, you could ask Notion to do that, and it's just really that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.